Hi, I'm Mary at Northwest Sewing Center. I'm here at the Brother Experience here in Austin, Texas. So I'm here with Angela Wolf, and we're looking at all the new product here.
Oh, and there's some good stuff. So should we show them the first?
Yes.
All right, so we have the new Celeste. So we have embroidery only and sewing only. But you know what Brother did is they added some of the best features, great features in the higher end machines into these machines at a fabulous price point. So why don't we start at
Okay.
I'll knock over the sewing side. Let's go to the embroidery side here. So on this is embroidery only. You have a 9.5 by 14 hoop. Is it 9? I always forget about the half. It's a 9.5 by 14. Nice large hoop. If you get the bundle, you get the beautiful luggage.
This is nice.
I know, I said I might use that for the plane to carry my clothes. But in here you have a lot of great features, a ton of designs that are built in, and what I have up here now is the matrix feature. You can bring one design in, tell it what size hoop you're using, and it will automatically re-register how many can fit in that hoop.
Wow.
The matrix feature is a big, big deal. And then in here, you also have Wi-Fi. So I'm sure a lot of your sewing customers use our Inspira because it has free, and then there's a paid version, but the free version has a ton. I can take a photo of you and send it here, Bluetooth, and via Bluetooth, and all of a sudden you are embroidered. Wi-Fi, not Bluetooth, whatever. Send it from your phone to the machine. But look at all these built-in designs. And you've got fonts, different monograms, so many different things. You also have the 2-point laser placement. So the placement for your design is very easy to do on here. So embroidery only. If you want to just embroider while you're sewing on a different machine, or maybe you don't even sew and you just want to embroider, this is the one. Really good price point.
I love the laser placements.
Me too. So now maybe you don't embroider at all, or you want to sew and quilt. That's what this machine does. Wait to see what Brother put in here. Do you remember this foot, Mary?
Yes.
The stitch regulator foot. It came with the Avenir. The Avenir, the highest end machine that Brother has. And this foot is now here. So if you don't know what that foot is, there's 3 different feet that go with it. If you've ever want to do free motion and you want those stitches to be the exact same, say 3.0 stitch length, doesn't matter how fast you move your fabric, there's an intermittent mode, continuous mode, and then a basting mode. And however fast you move your fabric, the machine will have that perfect stitch. So this is a game changer.
Wonderful.
And then this is not a walking foot. It's a digital dual move it foot. So this band right here controls the fabric on the top. And this has never happened.
I know, all those feet.
My Avenir didn't even come with all 5 of those feet. So you have that. You also have the new adjustable zipper foot. It's a zipper and piping. And that's a gate. Have you been in that class yet?
Not yet.
You're gonna love it. It's fun. So again, you have an accessory box for all of your feet. It comes with the new end foot we've been talking about for a couple years. This has a real slick backing, so you can sew right over full leather. It's fantastic. An extra needle plate for single needle.
That's neat.
Yeah, and then the needle plate's chickified now. So if you stick this in here,
We don't have
pop
to
it.
use this. We don't have to undo
No
the
screwdriver, no messing up your nails, none of that stuff.
Wonderful.
You have couching on here. You also have, maybe you want to use multiple multiple cones of thread or coins. This goes on here. So a lot of times I will use a twin needle. You just put 2 spools here.
Wow.
Yeah, and look at how easy it is to take on and off. So this for sewing and quilting, and look at this extended table here.
That's a great
Comes with it.
table.
And the price is absolutely amazing. So all these high-end features in here, you also have the knee lift, tapering stitches, so much more. They're gonna love it.
That's great.
Yeah. So
I'm
you know, so that's the Celeste series, embroidery only, sewing only. But for somebody who's embroidering that really wants to kick it off, why don't we show them one of the
let's look at this
newest?
one.
Come on over.